Put the text and convert into Smart Object. Transfer text into Perspective and Distort Effect. Now click and hold the Control key on Window or Command key on Mac and fill the color by using Alt key plus Backspace. Press Ctrl plus T, press bottom arrow and right arrow once. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus T on Window or press Command plus Shift plus Option plus T on Mac. Same technique I have used in Pushpa 2 movie title. Now fill the color to the front layer. Give it stroke. Give it satin effect. Blending mode to multiply. Adjust the opacity. Give it inner shadow effect. Now fill the color to the back layer. Convert the layer 1 into Smart Object. Make new layer and clipping mask to the layer 1 by using Alt plus click or Option plus click to the center of the layers. Give it some shadow effect. Adjust the inner shadow effect. So here is the final result. Thanks for watching.